so I go and get it for her. She don't got a license, so I go and take it from her. Take the car back to my crib and to my back corner. She don't want my money, that means that she be a gunner. She a track star.